Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Rahim from Boys Higher Secondary School, Tarathpora, class economics 12th. Our topic is functions of money and subtopic is secondary. Yesterday we are discussing the primary functions. Today we are going to discuss on secondary or subsidiary functions. Now, dear students, following three functions are secondary or subsidiary functions. Number one is standard of deferred payments. Standard of deferred pay. Standard of deferred payments. Deferred payments refers to those payments which are made sometimes in the future. For example, money has made deferred payments much easier than before. When we borrow money from somebody, we have to return both the principal as well as the interest amount. It is difficult to make such transactions in terms of goods and services. Imagine that you have taken a loan from somebody in terms of feet. How difficult it is to return this loan in terms of feet of the same quality. Money performs this function most effectively. However, let us now ignore a demerit of money as a standard of deferred payment. When the value of money falls owing to the price rise, creditors stand to lose while the debtors stand to gain. In contrast, when the value of money increases with the fall in price, creditors gain and debtors lose. And number two is store of value. Store of value. Store of value. Store of value implies store of wealth. Storing wealth has become considerably easy with the introduction of the money. Stored wealth is a source for future investment. It was not convenient to store value in the barter system of exchange because goods tend to wear out or perish. On the other hand, it is convenient to store value in terms of money because number one, money has the merit of general acceptability. Number two, value of money remains relatively stable compared to other commodities. Number three, storage of money does not need much space. Store of value is also called asset function of money. And number three is transfer of value. Transfer of value. Money also serves as a convenient mode of transfer of value. Goods are purchased from far off places, both for consumption as well as investment. You need purchasing power at those places where goods are purchased. You need to transfer purchasing power from the place of your residence. Money performs this function very well. It can be easily transferred from one place to the other. By facilitating transfer of value, money has promoted both consumption expenditure as well as investment expenditure across all parts of the world. In fact, it is owing to this function of money that the concept of global economy has come into existence. Now, the students, these were the main functions of the money, primary functions and secondary functions. And tomorrow, inshallah, I will come before you with a new lecture, that is supply of money. Assalamu alaikum.